The amazing, legendary city of dwarfs, Lilliput. The dwarf city of China, or as it is also called the Kingdom of Short People, is an amusement park in which more than 100 dwarfs from all over China live. The city is located in Yunnan province, China, and it was designed in the form of houses. They resemble Disney's mushroom plants, wonderfully and closer to fantasy. The idea of establishing the city began in 2009 after a wealthy Chinese businessman, Chen Menjin, met a dwarf at the train station and learned of the extent of his suffering. The city's interior was built in such a way as to allow performances to be held, as Chen aimed to create a kind of environment for Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. More than 100 dwarfs live in it, most of whom work in the field of entertainment, such as dancing, singing, and show business. A dwarf king has been installed over them, and he has dwarf guards watching over his security and that of the kingdom. What distinguishes the city is that everyone who suffers from dwarfism finds a place in a community in which they work, coexist with those who look like them, and feel proud and appreciate their personal abilities. A tourist who visits the kingdom feels like a giant man who has entered the world of fairy tales because of the keenness of the people of the city to dress up as the heroes of world mythical stories. It is a kingdom that looks like fairy tales and legends, but it is actually a real city called Lilliput Garden. It is named after the dwarf city imagined by the Anglo-Irish writer Jonathan Swift.